let's talk about video in extension. What are the benefits of video in extension? Extension is about dissemination of information and knowledge. It's about training farmers in innovative and new technologies. In that context, video can be beneficial and play a key role. When video is used, it brings clarity and good understanding thanks to images, sound, and motion. With video technologies, trainees can have a broad view of a scene from a distant shooting point or focus on a very small detail, resulting in a high memorization and retention of the information. This is called the zoom in and zoom out technique. Another advantage of the video for extension, especially in disseminating information, is that video can be easily replayed and repeated in different places and for different audiences without any content loss or variation. The training and dissemination is one aspect. Now let's look at the economical aspect. Usage of video in extension can be very cost efficient. At a large scale, the dissemination of a complex technology can be very costly because of human resource implication, the demo plot preparation and inputs. With new technologies, video training is produced once and disseminated widely without any major extra cost. The other aspect is that it presents another advantage in terms of time saving. No need to wait for experts, no need to find new plots to do the demo site, no need to wait for financial resource and inputs. Finally, let's look at some social aspects of the usage of video in extension. Video training materials are usually designed to be used by a wide variety of audience. The same video can be used by women, by a youth group, illiterate people, and people with some disabilities, all without any major extra cost. The same message can be repeated again and again without alteration and without any segregation. Video and human have their advantages and disadvantages in extension. For instance, you can't ask specific questions to a video, although a human presence is mandatory in a Q&A session. But you can ask a video player to replay 100 times the same training, and there won't be any complaint. There are some complementarities between human and video in extension. It's also good to note that both need some fuel to work. Extension workers require some food and incentives, while video equipment requires electricity and internet in the case of online video.